Hello from Bulacan. Sarap naman ng pillow ko. Wait. Yun! What?
Oo nga. Oo. Baby.
What? I'm tired eh.
Sis.
Yun na nga, pillow.
Uy, yung...
What? Ano yun?
Kakaibigan.
Noy lang yan. Yun!
Shout out po.
Hi, Bim. And I'm from Pampanga. Hug mo siya, Bim. Dapat siyang iyakapin. Dapat siya. She should be the one to hug me.
The Harley.
Kasi she's not malambing eh. Ako lang malambing eh. Oo nga, para pantay. Fave thing about Raisa, genuine.
Wow. Sister, are you okay?
Kasi
Go like this.
kasi alam mo naman, hindi madalas ang genuine, hindi karamihan ng genuine na tao sa isang buhay, no?
Bakit ang dami?
Give like. Kasi kanina naka-crop top siya kanina eh. Ayoko. I don't like it. I don't like seeing the
Ay, abs ko kasi kita ka naman.
wala kang abs absent. Wala naman din. I don't have abs also. It's okay. You don't need abs to be beautiful.
Jawline yung nilalaro, di ba yung parang...
Jolene yun. Jolene.
Ano ba? Ooh. Oh. Pabless.
Papa Chuck, you're so poky. Ika pong Papa Chuck. Si Ay, kalita o si Papa Chuck.
Alo, galit
Kalita ko.
na.
Papa Chuck, you say kalita ko. Kalit.
Kinikilig ako. Ako din. Yung kamay. Bims, more vlog together with Rice. Shout out Bims kay Jello Salazar.
Photo.
Di na siya ako conservative ako talaga.
Mama,
I don't like girls na papakita yung kung ano-ano.
Change photo po. Yeah.
Oh, so outfit ni Raisa okay. Conservative. Yan. Kasi kanina naka-crop top siya kanina eh. Ayoko. I don't like it. I don't like seeing the
Ay, abs ko kasi kita ka naman.
wala kang abs absent. Wala naman din. I don't have abs also. It's okay. You don't need abs to be beautiful. Bimbi, sino first GF mo? Wala. No girlfriend since birth ko.
Oh.
Yeah, no girlfriend. Tsaka hindi pa,
23.
you need the right time, Ba't gusto mo conservative, Bim? I like, conservative because hindi ko lang type na, na pakita yung kung ano-ano, di ba? Gusto ko na, lang, I like beautiful, not, I like more beautiful than sex. Beautiful is better.
Pagkakalit na si Papa Chuck. Papa Chuck, pagkakalit ka na.
Suot niya po yung necklace. Yes! She's wearing it. Kita mo nga yung necklace.
Pretty. She pretty.
She's wearing the necklace.
Sino si Aurora daw?
Give life lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson, be yourself. Yeah. Kasi alam mo naman I've seen this industry since I was a kid, no? So, just don't pay them attention. Kasi, hindi naman sila ang importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa,
8K.
Ano yung tulong mo to?
Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K.
Tap nyo nga.
Importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa,
8K.
Ano yung tulong mo to?
Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K,
Tap nyo nga.
25K po. 25 or 30K na lang. 30K. 30K. Yun, my brother's week. Kuya, say hi to the live. Yan o, Kuya Josh is there. He's resting now. Just woke up. Kakagising lang yan. Shoutout naman here in Pakistan. Yan ah. Yung jammies si Kuya. Cutie. Pag ako na shoutout nito, magpupuyat ako. Okay, I didn't see your name po, sorry. Napaka-pogi mo naman, Bimbi. Pa-shoutout naman ako. Lilu General or General. Riza Monica Calata. Alam mo dito mga team maybe.
Kami kayong kapaan ni Kuya.
Ah? Ano?
Watch right, no, watch right.
Oh, look, oh. You know this one. Let's count our shoulders. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Galing.
Yan ang natunan ko sa state.
Sis, dito kasi siya kayo. Kaya nyo na yan, sister. Sis. Nadagalan si Bim, right?
What?
Wala lang.
Uy!
Bim.
Yo.
Face card.
No, what do you like? No salamin or may salamin? Kayo mga maybe. You have to vote. I'll wear contacts next time on Bulaga.
Press 1 if may salamin. Press 2, no salamin.
Yan, this is no glass. Ako wala akong makita.
May contacts daw pero blue.
Blue? Ba't blue? Ay, hindi man, I'm not kanot naman eh.
2 daw. Anong press 2? No salamin.
2 is salamin, 1 is without. Both. Yan, both na lang.
3 na lang pag nakapikit.
Guys, manood kayo kay Papi Jack.
Yeah. Alam niyo how team maybe. Papa Jack is one of the most loyal.
Isang hi lang kay Ate Miles, Ate Raisa, Bimbi.
Hi daw.
Si Doc po ba to? Ay,
1, 3. Ano kaya ang 3? So both. 3 is both.
In pain management, magaling siya.
Ay, lahat ng pain talaga.
Ayan, this is in my condo now.
Ay, okay.
Ayan, dadami kliyente ni Doc.
Wow.
So ayan, how are you guys? Busy si Raisa eh. So 3 ang majority vote.
Gusto pag nagka-jowa siya, ang tawag niya babe.
Shout out naman, mas gwapo si Bimbi. Ha? Shout out po from Taiwan, legit Dabber Cats. Thank you po for supporting the show, you know. We all do it for you guys. Syempre naman. Okay. Hinaidya ko talaga yung live ni Raisa. Busy eh. Daming kwento eh.
Sorry.
Bigyan nga natin kung may mga followers na mag-gift.
No need to send gifts po ah. It's okay. Wag na, don't send gifts. Just wanna spend time with you guys.
Gusto nga nila.
Pag nandito ako, walang gift dapat po. I just wanna spend time with all of you. As you guys support us. Please sing Bim. Nako, panoorin niyo po ako, tomorrow. What?
Hindi, nabanding na sila.
Tomorrow. I'll sing for you guys.
Secret na wala.
Shout out po. Tuwing kailan po kayo nasa Itbulaga? We're just fixing the schedule lang po. Fixing, you know. You have to check everything. Permanent ka na sa Itbulaga. Yeah, I hope so. I very much hope so. I really like the job. Took some time to get used to the schedule, of course. Pero
Dabber Cats, you're a certified Dabber
but I'm a certified Dabber Cats na, of course po. Shout out po from Laguna, of course, from Laguna. What else pa ba? Waiting kami na maging kayo soon. Let's see po. How old are you, Bim? I'm 19. Rice is 21. So, dalaga na talaga. Hi, Bimbi Lods. Oh, Lods! Idol. You know, they're there. So much. Nyo yung kilig ko. Thank you po. Pa-shoutout naman, Bim. Anak ni Ken Suson. And then 888 pa-shoutout po sa mom ko, Mama Pressy. Hi, Mama Pressy. Hope to see you soon. Please visit us in Itbulaga. Hi, Bim and Raisa. Busy si Raisa. Chilling yan. With Ate Miles.
Anong comments?
Dami. Raisa, tabi ka naman kay Bim. Yeah, sakit no. 6'5 ka ba, Lods? 6'1 lang, Lods. Hi po from Tarlac. The best province in the whole Philippines. My home province. Shoutout po Roxanne Pedrera. Hi, I love watching Chris TV also. It's one of the best times of my life. I got to explore whole of the Philippines from Will you also do acting? Let's see. Syempre maganda naman yung ka-love team ko, no? So of course, let's see. Let's see what God brings us. Wag na, don't give na po, okay lang.
Ano wag naman?
Don't spend money na po para I just wanna spend time with you guys. Where is the bomb, Bimbi? The bomb is there. So she's the bomb. Saan po si Raisa? Raisa is there making It's right there lang. Chilling with my Ate Miles. Kale Delica invites you to co-host. Huh?
Wag.
Wag,
Mga
okay.
random lang yan. Live streamer. Grabe, 19.
Shout out po sa Aboy family. Tacloban City.
Shoutout, Damay Cats.
Collab kayo ni
Ay, na
Tito
20.
Vice? Of course! We did a movie together and so it's been so nice. And panoorin niyo po Tito Vice and my Tito Vic.
Yes. Anong name? Greatest Showdown.
Yan pa, that's the title.
Tinapa. Right.
Sana everything goes well with the shoot,
Gising na.
Sana, Gising na? Sana everything goes well with the shoot, Movies take a lot of time to complete, Ano yan? Ba't may aso?
Gifts. Sabi mo
Wag
wag naman
na, don't send na, please. Don't spend your money na.
May TikTok ka raw.
Wala akong TikTok eh. I'm not social media eh. Kasi ako, the things I'll post, yung mga what my toys, my PC. Ako homebody lang ako eh. I'm a homebody. Gym, gym.
Flex nga.
Hindi, flex talaga. Wala. I haven't gone to the gym in a long, long time.
Kamusta?
Nice, it's so nice, use your, I don't know, I didn't read that one. Raisa, may tongue piercing ka.
Hindi po yan.
Meron, may tongue piercing. Bad girl yan eh. Naughty girl.
Tawag sila. Nakikita doon. Isipin ni baka
Tongue
agad.
piercing.
Shout out Bimbi Raisa. Mira Zarinah. Shout out maybe, of course. Napakagwapo ba? Oh!
Thanks naman.
Salamat.
Face card. Sure.
Ano pinaka-favorite scene nyo ni Raisa during Little Bossings? May...
Ang yaman ng amoy mo, no?
My favorite scene was probably, just hanging out. Hindi naman scene, but hanging out lang in the house, no?
Tahitay ng buhok mo.
In the house in Little Bossing. That is a very good memory. Naalala ko pa yung mga wire sa floor, That was like one of the best talaga. Naalala ko si, Papa Jack. That's when I met Papa Jack, Bad girl Raisa. Yan, bad girl, good boy ako eh. Hi, Bimbi. Kamusta Mommy Chris mo? Yeah, she's good. She's sleeping now. Sleeping because of the weather, di ba?
Grabe ka naman.
Kasi this weather's bad for her eh. Na maulan.
Ano ba yan?
She's ignoring me, oh. She's ignoring me. Mean girl, oh. Mean girl, oh. Di mo suot yung ko. Suot! Sorry. Sorry. Stay strong.
Ito ang totoong ayuda.
Shout out, just tune in Ish Kardashian. Here from, you're Kardashian. Balibre naman, Kardashian. Yung kumain siya ng maanghang, wala pala sa script, so funny kayo, Dob. Thank you. Yeah. Naughty ako dyan. Akala niya ice cream, pare. Kamusta your mom, Chris Aquino? Hi from Tarlac. Yung mga taga Tarlac, please comment. That's my province. One of the best provinces. Tarlac kasi is has 3 major groups po from Pangasinan, Ilocano, and from Pampanga. So parang kami halo.
Labi on labi. Sinubuan yung labi yung labi.
Shout out Bim, makakakilig.
Protein mo.
Ha?
Ang pink ng labi mo, no?
Sino may baka?
Routine ko.
Ang ganda ko dito. Philippines.
I'm from Tarlac, Bim. Bagay kayo ni Raisa. Bagay ba?
Filters.
Well, oo nga, let's be honest, we're bagay. Since 6 years old, bagay kami. Oo. Since 6 years old. Oh, bakit? Hit naman ang hit naman ng Little Bossings, ha? Pero ba't ganyan yung mukha mo?
Hindi,
Natutulala ako eh.
ang solid kasi ang maganda, hindi pinipilit.
Yeah.
Natural lang na ang solid ng friendship niyo.
Kasi we were like this na
bahala ng tadhana.
when we were 6 years old. Oo.
Gising na.
Nasa bahay si Kuya.
Si Kuya.
20K na. Magawin nating 25K.
Ang clear skin mo,
I want 25K. Ano lang yan? Biro lang yan. Camera tricks lang yan.
Manood ka naman live, gusto magbagsak ka naman.
Sis mo lang ako.
Raisa, magdugi ka nga ulit.
Doggy.
Dugi, doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
Po.
25K po.
Mukhang ano na yun.
So you're taga-Tarlac. Why don't you make a move kung bagay? Siyempre naman gentleman, you know.
TikTok si Bing.
You have to be a gentleman, you know.
Pero meron po siyang magandang kanta ngayon i-release.
Yeah.
Ang huling El Bimbi.
Babati naman ako, Bim. Nandyan ka sa bahay. No, she's in my house. She's in my condo. Kasi sila Ate Miles and Raisa wanted to surprise mama. Kaso nga, tulog.
Kami na na-surprise.
May bagoong ka talaga.
Do you speak Ilocano? I don't speak Ilocano. Pero fun fact, when I was a baby, mayayas ko from, Negros, from, Bisaya. So, when I was a kid, kayang-kaya, buong, Philippines, lahat ng dialect, kaya ko that. Pero, nawala na.
May bagoong ni Papa Jack.
Amoy bagoong ba?
Bagoong siya tapos ang lapit talaga.
Oh my God.
Sa inyo na lang kinikita.
Ayan, ano yun? Gift ba yun? Akin na.
Bimbi. Can you speak Kapampangan?
Marunong ka ba?
No.
Pero nakakaintindi ka.
Konti. Kahit kasi mama hindi
Kapampangan ba kayo?
Tarlac.
Tarlac Kapampangan pala. Yes.
Yeah. Ba't halo na?
Si Andy ba may
Super halo.
Ilocos?
Malago.
Ilocos? Ilonggo? Hindi, Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Sa Tarlac. Si Tito B. Tarlac.
Saguli, may
Ilocano.
Kenny, kuha ka piano, tugtog ka do, Remy.
1 million
Ano
likes.
treat mo
Wow.
kay Raisa?
Wow, happy Friday. Happy
Ilongga. 29. Hello po, shout out po Maricar Yosef.
Friday. So gentle din. Wow,
Yosef?
gentle.
Kailangan.
Joseph?
Ay!
Abdul. Si Abdul.
Ano na? Hello, shout out po. Pa-shout out, Bimbi. Sure. Maulan din dyan. What?
Tell me, sis, you are my boss.
I'm anytime.
You know, you're my boss, sis.
Free lang ako, sis.
Don't have car.
I have no life, sis. Remember?
Sis, remember.
Wala siyang life. They want to leave me na, oh. They want to leave me na.
Gift ka muna sa akin.
Chinito na pogi. Nox.
Oo nga, no, I got more chinito as I got older. Mga teen maybe. Kasi when I'm smiling, nawawala talaga mata ko. Nawawala talaga my eyes.
Asan na yung mata mo? Ay, oo nga. Ang galing, ang galing.
Hello from Bulacan. Sarap naman ng pillow ko.
Ganyan ka pala, diba?
Wait. Yun!
Oh my God, ano yung ginagawa?
What?
Palitan ka.
Oo nga. Oo. Baby.
What? I'm tired eh.
Sis.
Yun na nga, pillow.
Uy, yung...
What? Ano yun?
Tugod ka kay Kuya mo.
Okay lang yan. Yun!
Shout out po.
Hi, Bim. And I'm from Pampanga. Hug mo siya, Bim. Dapat siyang iyakapin. Dapat siya. She should be the one to hug me.
Darling.
Kasi she's not malambing eh. Ako lang malambing eh.
Bing-bing.
Oo nga, para pantay.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Thank you, grabe ang dami mong gifts.
Kaya nga, don't give gift na po. I don't want you to spend, I don't want you guys to spend your money.
Sis, baka pikan mo.
Kayo na, Bim? Hindi pa. No. Let's just friends muna. Kamo. Pa-shoutout ako. Erika, ano po yung naging course?
Shoe size mo, baby.
Ha?
10, 11.
Mamaya nahawakan pa ako.
Grabe, kahit is kamay ko, hindi ko
12.
kasha.
I'm size 12.
12.
24K! Oh, nice. Ilang taon ka na, Bim? I'm 19. Yeah, I'm 19. She's matanda na yan. She's 21. Ate. Shoutout naman, Bim. Riz and Bim. 25K na yun. Pinapakilig. Shoutout po Arlene Espina from San Pablo City. Hi from Coron, Palawan. Yun. What's your fave thing about Raisa? Ano? Genuine.
Wow. Sister, are you okay?
Kasi ano eh.
Go like this.
Kasi alam mo naman, hindi madalas ang genuine. Hindi karamihan ng genuine na tao sa isang buhay. No? Give life lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson, be yourself. Be yourself. Don't pay them attention. Kasi hindi naman sila ang importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa, you know. Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K, 25K po. 25 or 30K na lang. 30K. 30K. Yun, my brother's week. Kuya, say hi to the live. Yan o, Kuya Josh is there. He's resting now. Just woke up. Kakagising lang yan. Shoutout naman here in Pakistan. Yan o. Yung jamis ni Kuya. Cutie. Baka ako na shoutout nito, magpupuyat ako. I didn't see your name po, sorry. Napaka-pogi mo naman, Bimbi. Pa-shoutout naman ako. Lilu General or General. Raisa Monica Calata. Pag napansin ako neto, chuchu. Pa-shoutout birthday ko ngayon, Bim. Salamat. Stop sending gifts na po. Okay na yan. It's more than enough na you're viewing. Shoutout po from Iloilo. Hello po.
What will you say?
Ay, Bimbi. Kasama si Ma'am Chris. Idol ko siya. Of course, she's sleeping now po eh. Tulog na si Mama. Sa PC ko, ngayon, Cyberpunk. Oo. World of Warcraft, mga ganyan. Hindi mahilig sa game si Raisa eh. So, ako lang ang gamer. Mobile game si Raisa eh. Ay po, pa-shoutout to Jasmine. Hello, watching from Spain. Hello, watching from Spain.
Ay, kaka.
Paano pa ito yan?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Wait lang, how do I, Oh, gamer couples. No, ako lang gamer. Ilan height mo, Bim? I am 6'1". Ang pogi mo. Thank you. Watching from Taiwan. Happy birthday, Duchess Shane. Happy birthday po. Pogi ba? Wow, you're so tall. Thank you very much. Watching from work. Hi to all watching. Busy, oh.
Into 4 and 2 yan.
Di-
Into 4 and 2 yan.
Home time.
Kasi,
Hi.
video pala.
Hi, Kuya. Say hi, Kuya.
Hello.
Hi! Hello!
Who's cute? Sino pogi?
Daw, Kuya. Who's pogi?
Joshua.
Watching from Batangas City.
Yes, Kuya.
Hi, Bim. Kuya Bim is
Finland,
there.
wow.
Shout out naman, Bim, please. Sure. Do you play ML? No, I don't play ML. League ako. League of Legends. Hala, nawala na. At least we hit 25K.
Raisa's not singing, Kuya.
Ano na po height mo? That's my nurse. Say hi, nurse. Say hi, nurse.
Hi, Noy.
Nakalive.
Welcome to the live nurse.
For all our entertainment. Papa Chuck, ang sweet mo na.
Thank you, kuya.
Yung ako malambing.
Can you tell
Siya
Papa
hindi.
Chuck to konti dito?
I know, you're a good boy naman.
Papa
eh.
Chuck.
Naughty ka ba? No
Good
naman.
boy.
Watching from Iligan
You need to get
City.
your phone.
Papa Chuck,
Hi
tawag
ka naman
na
po
si
sa
Polly.
mother ko po. Mommy Rose. Hi, Mommy Rose.
How's
Kailan ang kasal? Ano ba? Bata pa kami. I'm still young.
Yeah, I love you din.
Watching from Leyte. Ano po height ni Raisa? Ano height mo ba, Raisa?
Papa Chuck,
5'2".
you're so...
5'2", hindi ko 5'2".
Sorry. Wala mo, Bim. Sa tingin mo.
4'11".
Oh, salamat.
4'10"?
Hindi talaga.
What?
Secret lang, hindi ko i-reveal.
Yeah.
Cute nyo po. I know.
Cute kuya.
Thank you so much for the compliment.
And Tweety Bird.
Watching from Kalibo, Aklan. Hello. Who's your fave?
Raisa.
Wow! Anong name niyan, kuya?
Ah?
Who's that, kuya?
Big bird and...
How about?
William Tapo.
Wow!
Kuya.
Si Abdul? Joseph.
Shout.
Baby.
Pob. Pob. I-edit kayong dalawa. Go! I think may naka-screen record naman yung ano, live natin eh.
Kuya, no?
Please make a movie. Sana po.
Papa Chuck,
Sana.
ba?
Hala,
Kung may budget pa.
Coding.
Kung may budget, we can make a movie. Nakakamiss talaga mag-movie po eh. Yeah.
Papa Chuck, naman.
And syempre naman, mga mall show. Miss those
Hi,
times.
Polly. Good morning.
Well, surely, gonna watch. Sila na ba
Evening na po.
ng kuya what?
Kanina ka pa nag-sleep? What time pa nag-sleep?
Sila na ba ng kuya mo, Bim? No. Kuya Josh, just malambing lang.
Ano ka ba, kuya? It's
Yeah, special si kuya eh. So, ano.
Eh,
Pero daming girls yan. Malambing yan, my brother.
maybe this time.
How about Wild Rift, sir? Ano, idol? Watching from Concepcion, Tarlac. Eh. It's the first city that my lolo was a government official of.
Kuya, ano yung kanta mo?
What's your song?
Of Crete.
Maybe.
Maybe this time.
I know. Mag-gym ka ba soon? Sana. Before I got COVID a few months ago, ano ko, every week ako, like, almost every other day ako sa gym for MMA, mixed martial arts. Yeah. Dalhin ko si Raisa. Ano? Gym tayo?
Game.
Pero mixed martial arts. Gym ko. Suntukan.
Babalibagin na naman ako doon.
Tuwang-tuwa po si Mama. Bakit di mo ako napansin idol po? Shout out kay May Angeline. Idol ka po niya. Thank you for me being your idol. Thank you po. Onan Rizal. Mom raised you well. Gawa kayo podcast ni Raisa. Let's see. Never know.
Maybe this time.
How was your mom? She's sleeping now po. Yeah.
Everybody, kuya, wave your hand.
Shoutout po si Jessica. Ma'am Jessica. Iba doggy. Watching from Tarlac. Love you guys from Tarlac.
This time.
Love one in cutie. Who's cute?
Joshua.
Who's pogi?
Me. Say me.
Me. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Dito ko yung mga ibang toys ko. Busy sila eh. So this is Lord Momonga from Overlord. Kung hindi nyo alam mga Dabber Cats, mga maybe nerd ako. Otherwise, and this is Jon Snow from Game of Thrones and Voltec from Fallout. And one of my favorite directors, si Kevin Smith. But okay lang. Ito, one of my prized possessions. Mandalorian, Star Wars. Yeah. N1 Starfighter. Magda-dance si Raisa, wait lang. Age gap namin ni Raisa is 2 years. Ugh. You're ignoring me. You're ignoring me. I'm suplado na. Hindi mo ko nilalambing.
Say sorry, kuya.
Collection.
Collection tour. Yan lang. That's it.
A vlog.
Bim pa shoutout lola ko. Rosieta Rita.
Wala sa marumi.
Bim fluent ka na magtagalog. Well, same lang. Maano lang. Sanayan lang. To all the kids na di marunong. Just, just let it flow, Sa dugo, nasa dugo mo naman yan eh.
Smile with your phone.
Nasaan po kayo? In my house.
Show your picture.
Ponte. Just a bit. Point guard. I was a 1. Favorite league champion.
Kuya.
Forgetting that. Super long time ago. Shoutout pa from Zambales. Rai, why are you ignoring Bimbi? Oh, ignoring me.
Hello po.
Pabati po ng happy birthday. Happy birthday. Seeing you makes me feel old. Shoutout po, birthday ko po ngayon. Julie Valencia.
Happy birthday.
Bimbi, gawa ka na. Gamitin ko na lang TikTok ni Raisa. Para na.
Hi, kuya. We'll say hi to you, okay?
Watching from Concepcion. Yeah. Very special place po ang Concepcion.
Right as well.
Shout out sa nanay ko sa Pampanga. Shout out po.
Realistic na kuya.
May pa shout out asawa ko, si Prezel, crush ka nun. Yeah! Thank you very much. But,
Say thank you, kuya.
shout out naman Kuya Bim. His name is Briggs. Hi Briggs. Classmate ko dad mo sa what? Classmate ko dad UE. Oh, in 2000 di pa ako buhay nun. Anong height mo po? I'm 6'1". Pero mataba na ako. 220 pounds. Big.
Nice, I like you.
Please pa ako greet. Ha?
Okay, kuya.
Idol ko to eh. Idol kita pare. Bim, anong shampoo mo? I have, I get warts in my scalp eh. So, taga-derma. Derma yung shampoo ko.
Can she come with us?
Yes.
Come with you kuya.
Supported din si Raisa. Thank you.
Ako ngayon, rest time na. So, just got back from Bulaga. What's your skincare routine? What's your skincare routine?
Wala lang, tubig lang.
Born this way.
Yo. Face card.
Please, God!
Ganda lang.
Isang good luck sa isang intern. Yeah, intern's a very good position.
Grabe yung
Stepping
kamay
stone yan. Tuloy mo lang yan.
niya. Wow. Grabe ang kamay.
Yeah. Mga dabber cats. Oh. Kamay ni Kuya at saka kami ni Raisa.
Grabe.
As nga. Swabe.
Alam mo yung Riz, Bim?
Yeah.
Riz.
I was born with it.
Rizzler.
So proud.
I'm just joking. Siyempre, proud ate ko.
College.
Tsaka ganito, come. Let's sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Galing.
Yan ang natunan ko sa States. First time I saw the Uy! Boss ni Bim si Kuya Luis Manzano. Yeah. Miss Tito Luis. Haven't seen him in years.
You have a very, ano daw?
Ano?
Love you sa phone.
Laki ni Bim at ni Raisa, bagay kayo ni Raisa. Nadaan mga video nyo ni Raisa sa FB ko. Oh, thank you po. Lag Bims. Walang lag. Naka-wifi. Ay, hindi ka pala naka
Post yan, Bim, baka ano sila alis.
Shout out po sa aming dalawa. Bait talaga ni Bim. Yes! Kailangan. You have to be kind, you know. Sino po kalaban ng Team Raisa? Who is the kalaban kaya?
Team Rocket. Sis, just tell me she's...
Playing
Anytime.
6. You wanna go 6? 5:30.
Sis.
She wants to go na, no?
Ako din, sis. Ako din, sis.
Parang gusto mong... Bimbi, kindly tell your mom her fans are begging for a podcast. I will. Thank you very much. Mag 24 hours Jowa challenge kayo. Pwede. Let's see. Yeah, it's my house. Mukbang kayo, sure.
Ay! Abangan.
Abangan.
1, 2, 3.
Asan si Raisa? Raisa's there.
Makeup challenge daw, Bim. Hindi kita makeup, Bim.
Lalaki ako.
Kaya nga challenge eh.
Okay. Fine. See, oh. Mga guys, no, ano. Just say yes lang. Just say yes lang. Ano, smooth na ang buhay. Just say yes.
FB10.
21K, 25K. 25K ulit. Yan ba ang pinaka, ano?
Oo.
The most?
Parang.
Watching right now?
Yes, 21. Iba ka talaga, Bim. Yung face mo lang.
Iba ka talaga. You're the one who's iba.
Iba ka, Bim. Idol. Lodi cakes. Alam mo yung Lodi cakes?
You're my baby cakes.
Galing.
Ang corny ko, Mati, maybe. Shout out naman, Mama Luz and Chucky.
Shoutout po.
Wait, I will make it para ano.
Para kang human tripod.
Yun. To get more gains.
Gawin natin yung Beyblades.
Basta may premyo ako. Kaya I need a prize. Suot pa ba ni Raisa ang necklace? Wanna say hi to the live doc? Di pa.
I-shoutout mo daw si
This is my Doc Rainier, one of the best doctors who takes care of mama.
Check up si Kuya.
Check up.
Wait, I will remove my glasses mo para makiiba naman yung
Patingin
look.
nga ng glasses mo. Gano'n kalaki?
Oh, Raisa in glasses.
Ang lala. Nakakahilig.
Try mo lang na.
Nakita ko na.
Lola!
Anong grade?
175 to 100. Taas. Not the highest, but kailangan lang kasi I'm nearsighted. The newest and coolest tandem, Wasabi Raisa. Cute mo, no?
Of course. Face card.
Naging dolphin. Cutie, you guys cute together. Shout out po idol from Dingat. Bimbi so handsome. Ay,
Wow.
thank you. Thank you po for the compliment.
Face card. Ay, pa ako yan, kuya.
Wait. Wait. Paano, how do we, make it? No. Make it switch. Here. There. Okay. Wait lang I have to look for something. Yun! Huh?
Sa'yo nakatapat talaga yan. Did you text me na?
Yes. Ito yung tutulan.
Ayan, yung kulitan lang.
Can you drive to East?
Can you hear me?
Ito yung
Can you hear me?
Raisa.
You're still baby face but your voice is adult. Hindi naman. Baby boy pa ako.
Face.
Shout out maybe idol ko kayo. Like legit. Baby face pa po ako? Yeah. Baby face pa. Kailangan ko ng jawline. I need the jawline. Taba na ako. Bim, nag-lag ka.
Jawline yung nilalaro, di ba yung parang...
Jolen yun. Joline.
Ano ba? Ooh. Oh. Pabless.
Papa Chuck, you're so poky. Ika pong Papa Chuck. Si Ice, kalita o si Papa Chuck.
Alo, galit
Kalita ko.
na.
Papa Chuck, isa yung kalita ko. Kalit.
Kinikilig ako. Ako din. Yung kamay. Bims, more vlog together with Rice. Shout out Bims kay Jello Salazar.
Yung photo.
Di na siya. Ako, conservative ako talaga.
Mama,
Yeah.
ayaw na.
I don't like girls na papakita yung kung ano-ano.
Change photo ko. Yeah.
Oh, so outfit ni Raisa okay. Conservative. Yan. Kasi kanina naka-crop top siya kanina eh. Ayoko. I don't like it. I don't like seeing the
Ay, abs ko kasi kita ka.
wala kang abs absent. Wala naman din. I don't have abs also. It's okay. You don't need abs to be beautiful. Bimbi, sino first GF mo? Wala. No girlfriend since birth ko. Yeah, no girlfriend. Tsaka hindi pa,
23.
you need the right time, But gusto mo conservative, Bim? I like, conservative because hindi ko lang type na, na pakita yung kung ano-ano, di ba? Gusto ko na, lang, I like beautiful, not, I like more beautiful than sex. Beautiful is better.
Pagkakalit na si Papa Chuck. Papa Chuck, pagkakalit ka na.
Suot niya po yung necklace. Yes! She's wearing it. Kita mo nga yung necklace.
Pretty. She's pretty. Ay,
She's wearing the necklace.
super.
Sino si Aurora daw?
May nag-bash sa akin Pare, alam mo yung sino? Paano yan? Ikaw talaga. May nagbabash Sama. No bashing. That's bawal.
Love you. Ay.
Pa-shout out from Sinait, Ilocos Sur. Ano communication ni Raisa if you don't have socials? Message. Phone number. She has a phone number also. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga DM, mga ganyan. Ako, cellphone lang. Yan lang kailangan. Gwapo mo, Bim. Thank you. Please tell Miss Chris that we miss her.
Where's Pooh?
There.
Alright, in 1 minute, we'll end the live.
Bye, uwi mo na.
Hi, pa-shut up.
Sana ng Big Bird. Ako si Pooh.
Oh my God. What is your age na po, Bimbi?
Calculate your mind. Calculate your
Heart.
and Jesus name.
Ignore them. Tama. Ignore the bashers.
Yes.
Always ignore always ignore your bashers. Yan, tama.
Tingin, sabahan mo
Yo.
sa force. O force.
Shout out Jerome, please. Sure.
Rice ang kami.
Bimbi ang pogi. Thank you po.
Yeah.
Kiss Bim. O sige. Kiss.
I have lice.
Yan o. Tapos na. Uy. I'm so handsome, Bim. Bim, shout out Max. Hi, Max.
Alaki yung ice ni Papa Chuck.
Live ulit bukas.
Oo,
Sure.
bata kalit.
Alright, at what time is it? 5:50 will end na. So they have to go at 6. Nanay Chris and Ate Miles. Yeah. From Dubai.
Sige.
Ang cute nyo. Vlog na po together. Hello, Bambi. Dear yan.
Papa Chuck.
Ang bimbi.
Confiscate, Papi Jack.
Yung phone.
Phone.
Where is Chris? She is sleeping. Chris is sleeping. My mom's
Ayaw
sleeping.
ipikayo po kay Papa Chuck. Kakaut na. Galing.
Ang ganap nyo dyan. Ano ganap nyo dyan? Tambay-tambay lang, you know.
Chamboy.
Shout out my name, Myra. Mira or Myra?
Where?
Shout out. Shout out mo ko, Raisa.
Samara.
Me, you shout me out.
Sabi, Pinaypay. Pinaypay. DJ. You're best. Ang nice ng voice mo, Bimbi. Wow.
Raisa, Joshua.
Joshua.
Shut down.
Raisa, salit na tayo.
Okay.
Tulog na.
Good night, Kuya.
You're sleeping.
Papa Chuck, yung
Blooming si Resume.
ay
Blooming na blooming.
kalit si Papa Chuck.
Si Papi.
Skincare mo, Bim. Ano na? Born this way. Just joking. Ano lang, keep it simple lang po. Wash your face. And moisturize. Yan talaga importante. Sleeping. Shout out Arsheli from La Union. Kuya, say hi to the live again.
Hi, la! Baby, remove class.
Okay.
Clean sa sorry.
Oh, malinis na. It's clean na.
Low.
Think I can. Pero like, per person, per one like. Hindi.
Yes.
So, naka 2.9 million na tayo.
Ay, oo, ata.
Diba?
Sure. Yata.
Shout out Debbie Ursua.
Ay.
So, bait ni Josh. Yeah, mabait. Pero paminsan, naughty. Good boy, but sometime, half and half dapat.
Kulit-kulit lang.
Shout out from Davao. From Davao City. 2 more minutes and then we'll go off na.
Ay, tower ka.
So, kailangan 30K na.
30K. 30K viewers?
Yeah. Last hurrah. Pasigaw naman name ko, Ann. Ann! Cotabato City.
College ka na.
About to be.
Yeah.
Rasha from Laguna.
Ito ba to? Yes!
I'm real. Tarlac City, represent. Shout out po, Apex Schools, Bacoor.
Kuya Dan, hi.
What course are you guys gonna? I might take medicine. Either that or something, admin, I think. I don't know, not sure.
Nabutin mo ba ito mga ano?
Oh,
Nabutin mo ba sila yung mga sulit bahay block natin?
yes.
Ako yan, no.
Ay, that's my favorite song, Kuya.
Hi, Bim and Riza. Naka 30K tayo, no? Hindi. 25,000.
6, 7.
Ang most. 6, 7. Bossing.
Yun na. Wow, Kuya Dan.
Nako, natuto, no? Tito Vic. Sa 6,
Oo, kasi
7.
Sa mga baby niya.
The best. Kaya, kanina. I made him sabay 6, 7. Alright, 1 more minute remaining.
Bye, Thank you for
Goodbye.
watching. Salamat.
Bye.
1 more minute in approximately
1 minute.
now.
Ayun na. Bye, Tower Cats.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
Bye.
See you tomorrow,
Say good night,
Group
Kuya.
3.
Tomorrow.
Group 3, please vote. Please vote.
Oo nga, mag-comment kayo ng request ng kanta.
Yeah, please vote. Okay, goodbye. I don't know how to end this.
Bye, Tower Cats. Say bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.